As of March 2019, a report by the Office of the Prime Minister shows that there are 1,239,912 refugees in 15 refugee settlements across the country. However, National Environment Management Authority has raised concerns that the environment around some of these refugee settlements is being severely degraded by the refugees. According to George Muganda, an official with NEMA in the West Nile region, 58% of tree cover has been destroyed around the BidicBidi refugee settlement alone.
As more people come to one specific area, there is definitely destruction. But I think the bottom line is we must get a way on how we can manage this influx of refugees.
He has therefore called for an environment impact assessment of the area so as to mitigate the effects of the environmental destruction.
If that happens, then that implies that we are going to follow up these refugee areas. We see the conditions that we put in those EIAs and requirements, we follow them up.
However, Muganda has revealed that they are now working with the various sister agencies to see how the degraded environment can be restored.
So, promoting the indigenous trees, especially through regeneration, so that the trees which are cut can be given the opportunity to grow again.
In response, Minister for Disaster Preparedness and Refugees Musa Echweru, while visiting the BidicBidi settlement, revealed that many of the refugees have inadvertently destroyed the environment as they try to sustain themselves economically.
The environment is very degraded, we have seen, because the refugees are harvesting trees, are harvesting grass, and the same is happening with the local people. So there is competition for these not elastic resources for their survival.
Echweru has however revealed that some of the refugees are trying to engage in better farming practices that do not harm the environment, but they still need support.
There are refugees who want to do irrigation, mini irrigation. They are producing food, but their food is vulnerable because of the unpredictable weather. We are also asking partners to support them with the mini irrigation systems.
Refugee leaders in this settlement have expressed dismay over the state of the environment and have pledged to continue sensitizing their people on the dangers of environmental degradation.
We don't want actually this environment to be affected. Trees were being destroyed, burning bushes.